All right, everyone. Good afternoon. It's a rather balmy June already. We're looking at June 4th, and it's like 75 degrees out. It's rather hot. I just came to get my wife from work, so I apologize for the sun. Here, let's see if I can block some of it. Sun, give me some sun flare. So I know up here in Aroostook County, we've had a problem. I don't know if the rest of the state's this way. I don't know if other states are this way. There's been a problem with people with these little tiny black and yellow worms that are totally just decimating trees, taking out any plants, any foliage. They're not Japanese beetles. I've seen them referred to as army worms and then another name. I don't know what the other name is. But I've had a lot of people message me or stop me and ask me what to get rid of them with. And if you don't have a lot of them, you can spray them with a mixture of water, neem oil, and dish soap. Okay? And it's pretty much, I think it's like 2 tablespoons of neem oil to a quart of water, and then like 3 or 4 drops of dish soap. Spray it on them, should pretty much kill on contact. It's basically the same thing as insecticidal soap. You can use that. If they're on your tree and you see them on the trunk, take a 5-gallon bucket, fill it about 3/4 or 4 or about 80% full of water. So get about 4 gallons in it. Put some dish soap in it, some neem oil in it, probably 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup of neem oil, and then a couple tablespoons of dish soap. Suck that up with a shop vac. Then go to your tree and suck up those worms. And if you need to use a longer extension to get the ones that are further up, use a piece of pipe, PVC pipe or metal pipe, as long as your shop vac can handle it, and suck those suckers up. And when they hit the water, they'll die. Let them stay in there overnight. And then in the morning, just pour the water down the storm drain. Pour it down. If you got a hill like we do, some of you have seen the embankment we have. I'd pour them down the embankment. They're going to be dead. And get rid of them. If you see a cocoon, suck up the cocoon. This is my preferred method for doing it. I've done this with hornets before when they have a nest in the ground. Saturate the nest with soapy water and then suck them all up and then dump the bucket down the storm drain. So those worms, if you've got a house that's covered, get the same mixture into a pressure washer or a pump sprayer or something of that nature and just coat them on the wall. They'll die up. You suck them up or sweep them up, get rid of them. They can really make a mess of a tree really fast. So you're looking at, if you have a apple tree, plum tree, our neighbor has plum trees, and she used the shop vac method to get rid of them. She sucked them up. I've been using our method. I only found 12 in the garden so far on our rhubarb and 1 on an irrigation hose. 2 pieces of block of wood. Take the blocks, squish the worms, done. I don't like using any kind of chemicals in my garden. The other option you have is either BT or pyrethrin, already in a spray bottle. You can use that as well. I tend to believe neem oil works the best. It's anything with neem oil in it, whether you mix your own. Do not get the food grade neem oil. Do not take the stuff that's safe for human consumption, because that's not going to do really anything to the bugs. You need the stuff that is not food grade that will kill the bugs. If you do spray it on your plants, yes, you can eat when you go to harvest your fruit. Just give it a rinse. You'll get the residue off of there, so that'll be fine. But a lot of people try some of the craziest methods. But they're really bad this year. I haven't seen them this bad. And, well, let's just say since we've had the garden, which this is our 8th or 9th year having the garden, I haven't seen them. So it's probably been 10 years since we've had them. And they will kill your fruit trees. They will just totally wipe out crops. So get rid of them. Fight back. Get proactive in getting rid of them. Try to do it without harsh chemicals, because not that I'm worried about the chemicals hurting the environment. I'm worried about the chemicals hurting hurting you. So get out there, get rid of your worms. Let me know. Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Let me know how you got rid of your worms, if you did, or if you tried any of these methods, to see how they help you. So I thank you. I hope to see you guys at the farmers market this weekend. Keep your food spicy, your thumb green, and we'll check you later. Have a fantastic day.